Hi guys, I'm Priscilla and welcome to my Skillshare class. In this class, I'll be showing you how to create one of my favorite illustration styles, botanical contour line drawing in Procreate. This is an incredibly versatile and minimalist illustration style that can be used in a myriad of ways, like on logos, or business cards, art prints, invitations, as well as motifs for fabric design and apparel. In this class, we will be using the app Procreate to create a contour drawing of a monstera leaf. I will take you through ways to embellish your illustration with flat colors and abstract shapes, as well as how to use lighting and texture to enhance your composition. We will finish up with creating a mock-up to really make your work stand out, and you won't believe how simple the process will be. I will also be providing free Procreate brushes, a color palette, a Pinterest board for inspiration, and royalty-free images to use as references, so you can take all the guesswork out and focus on mastering the technique. This class will also give you a beginner-friendly overview of the app as we create, so that you finish this class not only with a beautiful illustration, but also a clear understanding of how to use Procreate and make this incredibly intuitive app work for you. So a little bit about me. I am a trained teacher with 2 degrees in science and arts, a master's of teaching, and over a decade of experience teaching in the classroom. I'm also a freelance illustrator, a surface pattern designer, lover of fashion, and owner of Cardwell and Ink, which is a boutique design studio located in Australia that specializes in a range of services from creating original textiles to creating custom illustrations and logos for businesses. I frequently use this style of illustration in my own surface pattern designs, which have been featured on the Spoonflower website and most recently in Her Umbrella magazine. A few years ago, I transitioned from traditional art to digital art, and I have never looked back. I love how Procreate has helped to streamline my design workflow and given me endless options of creative mediums to explore in a digital space. And I'm so excited to be able to share my process with you. So all you will need for this class is your iPad, the app Procreate, and a stylus. I will be using the Apple Pencil. And at the end of this class, I want you to come away having had a whole lot of fun creating a beautiful art piece and have a deeper understanding of how to create digital art using the app. Okay, enough talking. Let's get started.